Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the Chick-fil-A fried chicken sandwich. Now Chick-fil-A is a company that we will just say has questionable moral values. But on the few times that I have been there, they do have relatively good food for a fast food restaurant. So I'm going to teach you how to make it at home, so in case you are part of the group that they're not a fan of, you can still have the food, it'll taste better, and you can feel better about where your money is going. So let's get started. So first thing we need to start out is with our chicken. I'll cut it later. And we're just going to give it a nice little tenderizing before we actually put it into a brine, which is actually what Chick-fil-A is most known for. They use pickles. Got this wrapped up, and I seem to have misplaced my mallet, so I'm just going to use my hands. And for this, you're just going to want to basically Alright. Get this over here. Got our bowl. Plop the chicken in. And for the brine, you can make your own pickle juice if you wanted to. It's basically nothing more than salt, pepper, vinegar, sugar, and for dill pickles, you use naturally dill and choice other ingredients. But I'm just going to go for the lazy way. Got a nice jar of pickles right here, and saturate it in there. These dill? Yeah, they're dill. Make sure everything's in there nice. And we're just going to cover it up and let it sit in the fridge for about 1 to 3 hours. Alright, so our chicken has been successfully brined. We're just going to take it out here, and because I didn't do it whenever we first started, just going to go ahead and cut it up. You can see the discoloration with the chicken a little bit. That's perfectly fine. That actually is just because the acid in the vinegar has already started the cooking process. And fun fact, that is actually how they make things like steak tartare. It goes in, it pasteurizes the meat, and it makes it safe for human consumption. However, I highly recommend you do not do that with chicken. It will not work. You will still get sick. All right, we're just going to set this to the side and make up our dredge. A Chick-fil-A's dredge is actually really simple. It's actually only just flour and breadcrumbs. I'm going to spice it up just a little bit, but we're going to go half and half with 1 cup flour and 1 cup panko. We're not exactly cooking a lot of chicken, so I'm not, all that upset about the lack of dredge. Oh, there we go. And 1 cup panko. Set these to the side. Also going to add some Old Bay seasoning because I don't think the pickle flavoring is going to be enough for a good flavor on the chicken, and I'm addicted to this stuff. Just whisk this in real nice. I say whisk, this is a spoon. Oh dear. Let's take the chicken, flour it up real good, and I'm going to switch camera angles so that way we can fry this up. Alright, so we got some hot oil up here, get it up to around 350 degrees. If you're unsure or you don't have a thermometer, just get a little bit of water on your hand, splash it in there. If it starts spitting at you, it's usually pretty good to go. Do not let it smoke, you will burn your chicken. And we're just going to go and set it down, let it cook on each side from anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. And you'll see it whenever it gets golden brown. There we go. Alright, give it a good flip. Beautiful. Let it finish up. Alright. So we got our chicken nice and cooked here, but we got I already cooked the other one off camera. So, don't you worry. Shut up. Alright, so we got our Alright, so we got our cooked chicken right here. It's nice and golden brown as you can see, but we gotta let it rest for a little bit, so we're just going to set that to the side. We also have a few toasted King's Hawaiian buns because they're my favorite. And now it's time for the other staple, and that is the Chick-fil-A sauce. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to start out around a 1/4 cup of mayo. That ought to do it. Maybe a bit more. Tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A tablespoon of, shake it up real quick. Tablespoon of yellow mustard. A spritz of lemon juice. A teaspoon of honey. And a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Whisk it all together. Creamy yet acidic. Lovely. Alright. See you guys when it's time to build the sandwiches. Alright, let's go ahead and build these up now that these have rested nice and well. A nice toasted bun. I promise you that's not burnt. I cannot tell. Okay, it's fine. You know what? Let's get a spoon. Spoon acquired. Nice hearty dress on both sides. Oop, forgot something. Gotta get pickles. I always thought it was kind of strange. Wow, this knife is very dull. Mini chef's knife. I always thought it was kind of strange that Chick-fil-A always put pickles on their sandwich, but that was just about it. I mean, at least at the ones that I went to, they never had lettuce or tomatoes or anything. And granted, it's fine with me anyways, but I just thought it was a weird choice. We have chicken. We're gonna place some pickles on top of here. Just really double down on acidity. And top bun. There you go. Chick-fil-A fried chicken sandwich. And I'm learning on how to be a good host, so I'm gonna make you one too. And there you go. Let's see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. This really is a lot of fun, and I'm sorry if I sound really nervous whenever I'm doing it. I'm still kind of getting used to, talking to a camera whenever I cook. But I appreciate your patience. Now let's just go down to it so that way we can all enjoy some fried chicken sandwiches together. Enjoy!